For the first question, if you had two products and had to ask one question to users to determine which they preferred more, what would you ask? For me, I want to avoid leading questions. I don't want to say, do you like this one more than that one? I want it to be as unbiased as possible. I would say, for my question, which of these products would you determine to be more useful for you? I think I'd use that as the question because I want them to think in terms of why they would actually need the product. Not whether or not they like it, the look of it, or specific features. It comes down to, are you actually going to use this product? Which one is going to be more useful for you? Because that's the one that they're probably going to go with. Even if they're very similar, you still can ask which one are you going to use more, or which one do you think would be more useful, because they would still have different features, different formats, and stuff like that. How do I evaluate a design? It comes down to two basic ideas. Is it useful? Okay, can the user actually use it for what they need? And is it user-friendly? And so if those two things are happening, your product is generally going to be successful because the user will be able to purchase the app or have the app and use it. And since it's user-friendly, they're not going to run into too many friction points that's going to turn them off of it. That being said, if one or the other is not really working, either there's not that super useful of a product, or there are some problems, it still can be a successful product, but not as successful as can be. What kind of data have you used to evaluate the design? I used A/B testing to design specific verbiage, and I also have used interviews, in-person moderated interviews, to determine whether or not the design that I'm using is appropriate, useful, and user-friendly. I have not used any other or any other testing for usability. I am a science teacher, and I have a lot of experience doing testing, but not usability testing.